Ever wanted to start investing but felt like the whole stock market thing was just too complicated, too expensive, or just plain intimidating? What if I told you there was an app that makes it so easy to get started, you can literally do it with the spare change from your daily coffee run? That's exactly what Acorns is all about. Think of it as your personal piggy bank for the digital age, except instead of your money just sitting there, it's actually growing. The core concept is something called roundups. You link your credit or debit cards, and whenever you make a purchase, Acorns rounds it up to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. Bought a coffee for $3.50? Acorns takes that extra 50 cents and puts it into a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds. It's like magic, but it's real investing. Now, you might be thinking, 50 cents at a time? Is that really going to make a difference? And that's the beauty of it. Over time, those roundups, and any extra deposits you choose to make, really start to add up. Acorns also lets you set up recurring investments, so you can automatically deposit $5, $10, or whatever you're comfortable with every week or month. This strategy is called dollar-cost averaging, and it's a great way to build wealth over the long term without trying to time the market. Acorns offers a few different account types, from standard taxable investment accounts to retirement accounts like a Roth IRA. They even have an option for kids, which is a fantastic way to start teaching them about money and investing early. All of this is managed by their expert-built portfolios, so you don't have to worry about picking individual stocks. They do the heavy lifting for you based on your risk tolerance. And the best part? It's incredibly affordable. For a small monthly fee, you get access to all these features, making it one of the most accessible ways to start your investing journey today. It's a simple, set-it-and-forget-it way to get into the market and build wealth without even thinking about it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.